Hey everyone, my name is Jon Venus. Welcome back to another video. I want to show you guys one of my favorite meals and recipes of all time. It's one of our staples. It's a high protein tempeh salad. This actually has 50 grams of protein, about 750 calories, so it's a big meal. This could be divided into two and serve two people, which we're probably gonna do today. Right, Catherine? You're hungry?
Oh yeah.
Yes, so me and Catherine are gonna share this one. But if you're very hungry, you can still just have it as a proper dinner just for yourself as well. So we're gonna be using a couple of different ingredients. It's pretty simple, it doesn't take too much time, but here we go. We got a base of mixed leaf lettuce. You can use any kinds of greens that you want. You can use spinach, kale, whatever you guys prefer. Gonna be using a cucumber, 2 tomatoes, a pepper, which is a big one, probably gonna use half of it, and an apple. I really enjoy adding fruits to my salad to make it sweet as well. Apples go super well because they're crunchy, they're sweet. You can also use things like nectarines or orange, that kind of stuff works really well as well, even kiwi. So use any fruit that you want, but today we're gonna be using one apple. And then the main source of protein is obviously gonna be from the tempeh. So this is 200 grams of tempeh, quite a lot, it's a big block. But again, tempeh is amazing, higher in protein than most tofus. It's made from soybeans, not gonna give you man boobs, don't worry. I feel like I have to say that every single video to this, get that myth out of people's head. And the amazing thing about tempeh is that it's also fermented, so it's great for your gut health and digests like a charm for most people. So try tempeh out if you haven't already. It's also very mild in flavor, or a little bit bitter actually if you don't use any flavoring. So we're gonna marinate it in some liquid aminos, which is basically a soy sauce alternative. Very high in sodium, so if you're trying to avoid salt, if you have high blood pressure, don't use that. Just marinate it in something else. The sauce that is gonna go over the whole salad is gonna be made from tahini, which is made from sesame seeds, but tastes absolutely amazing. And we're gonna be throwing in some soy sauce or tamari and a little bit of maple syrup. And the final thing for the sauce is a little bit of lemon juice. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing that we wanna do for time efficiency purposes is marinating the tempeh. We're gonna be preparing that in the air fryer, but you don't have to. If you don't have an air fryer, you can always just do it on a pan.
Or you can actually use the fan setting on your oven if you don't have an air fryer.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Catherine. Grab a knife, and I'm gonna start chopping. So I really like having pretty thin slices.
That is pretty thick slices, John.
Yeah, I didn't realize I was cutting it that thick, but we're in a rush, so let's go. I'm gonna place the tempeh in here, spread it out a little bit, and then throw some of the liquid aminos on top. So just let it absorb the liquid aminos for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we're gonna throw it in the air fryer. In the meantime, let's chop up the veggies. Catherine is gonna take over from here for the chopping because she's a little bit quicker, and the baby's upstairs waiting for us, so we gotta hurry up. Just don't cut your finger again, Catherine.
I recently cut my finger.
Yeah, that's horrible.
Yeah.
Alright, so while Catherine is chopping this, let's throw the tempeh into the air fryer. This is game-changing, guys. Air fryer has been one of the best buys of our life. You get to make things crunchy without adding a lot of oils, which is problematic because it's a lot of calories. It's not healthy to eat a lot of oil. This is a lot quicker. So we're gonna put it to 10-15 minutes, more or less. So we're dividing everything into 2 bowls. That's a huge pepper, Catherine.
I know.
Are we gonna use the whole thing?
Yeah,
Probably
I think
not.
so.
Yeah?
We need the vitamin C.
Yeah, true.
So don't get a cold.
So here we go, guys. All the veggies are chopped up and placed into the bowl. Now what we gotta do is prepare the sauce consisting of the tahini, the lemon juice, the maple syrup, and the soy sauce. All right, Catherine, take the lead on the sauce as well.
Okay, so I'm gonna use tahini as the base. It's gonna make it really nice and creamy. And if you don't like tahini, you can actually use like peanut butter, almond butter, just some sorts of like good fats. And then we're gonna add a tablespoon of tamari.
Which is the same as soy sauce, basically, so.
Yeah, or soy sauce. And then a tablespoon of lemon juice or lime. And then about half a tablespoon or a teaspoon of maple syrup. It's a little bit much. Or 1 tablespoon, depends how sweet you like it. Then I'm gonna whisk this all together and then add a little bit of water to get the consistency that I want.
How excited are you for this lunch right now?
Oh, I'm super excited, I'm really hungry. So we just went out for a nice long walk as well. So now I'm feeling really hungry for lunch. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water just to get a little bit more volume, since John and I are sharing the salad.
Yeah.
So it becomes extra runny. So if you want, you can actually add more tahini. Alright, so this is quite runny. Usually we make it a bit thicker, but this is very rich in flavor because of the lemon juice and the soy sauce and maple syrup.
Yeah.
So you don't need a whole lot of it.
Sounds like the tempeh is done. Let's have a look. Ooh, crispy.
So excited.
Nice. So yeah guys, the tempeh is looking absolutely perfect. Alright, so the final step is just adding the tempeh into the salad. So I'm gonna do half and half. As you can see, Catherine added some pasta because she wants a little bit more calories on hers. Alright, so the rest is for you.
Well, John, I didn't mean that little.
Yeah, it was a little bit unfair.
That looks a little bit unfair.
There you go, Catherine.
I still need my protein. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So yeah guys, this is it. Very, very easy to make. The cool thing about salads is it's so versatile. You can add literally any ingredient that you enjoy into it. And don't forget that if you want more tasty vegan recipes, we do have an ebook that is like 14 bucks or something like that, pretty cheap. So link in the description box if you're interested in that too. But anyways, we're gonna enjoy this right now. Actually, before I forget, I need to try it for you guys on camera because I forgot last time and a lot of people complained. So let's do it. So getting a good mix of stuff in here. Tempeh. That sauce with the tahini really makes a big difference. Wow. Subscribe and share this video with your friends if they need help with health and fitness, nutrition, all the good stuff. Appreciate your support and I'll see you very soon. Peace out.